show and share.
What is it?
It's a radio, I think. It plays music. Let me show you.
My, that is a noisy machine.
It makes noise. Loud noise.
It's okay, everyone. The space needs...
My, that is a noisy machine.
That doesn't play music. It makes noise. Loud noise.
Flight. Most people think it would fly off, and passengers would be sucked out.
That doesn't play music. It makes noise. Loud noise. What?
Yesterday, sunny. Now it's a windstorm. How did that happen?
Sucked him out into the sky.
That doesn't play music. It makes noise. Loud noise. That doesn't play music. It makes noise. Loud I can't get close enough. Aha! But maybe this can. One extended arm going out. Way to go, TK! Oops. I mean, way to go. Well, I thought my show and share was a radio, but it's actually a noisemaker. A very loud noisemaker.
That was a great show and share, TK. But wait till I show you mine.